This is a tutorial for a commission agreement, also known as a compensation agreement between principal and broker. Now, if you're looking for a confirmation of commission between your brokerage and another brokerage, that's a different form, and I'll put which form it is in the description. But this is for you, for your brokerage to charge the owner of property directly for services rendered. Very simple. I'll go through it quickly and it'll make sense. We start by putting the name of the principal or principals up here. I just wrote in some sample information. Of course, if it's a trust or a corporation or LLC, you just write that up here as well. Shall pay. What's the brokerage name? I just put in my brokerage, put whatever the brokerage is, or the broker if it's an individual that's going to receive the payment. And then you just put in what you're charging. Pretty simple, right? So we just check this box, we'll put in 3%, and we can put in whatever number we want. Even if we're doing a lower flat fee for some simple transaction, maybe a landlord is selling to their tenant and we're helping them for a simple 1%, you would just put that there. Or you want to do a simple flat fee, maybe you're just doing maybe $10,000 or something, you could put a flat fee right in there, or a combination of both here, or something else. And this is just, of course, some creative thing. Maybe they're trading you a service or good in exchange for your real estate service. But you have options for any type of scenario to perform such services for the property located at, and you put the property address, parcel number if you have it, what county is the property in, and that just identifies what real estate in which you're rendering your services. And then it has some verbiage here to protect you and actually them. So it protects both parties because it has mediation as a first course of dispute resolution so that the parties aren't automatically taking each other to court and spending time and money in some sort of legal battle. And if mediation doesn't work, well, if both parties initial here, they can go to arbitration, which is legally binding. And the idea of arbitration is that it's a simpler way to resolve disputes rather than going to litigation. If you don't initial here, then you still have to go to mediation first, but then if that doesn't work out, both parties can sue each other. And a little bit of verbiage about dispute resolution. And this is where the principal is going to sign and the broker is going to sign. Actually, the agent right here is going to sign on behalf of the brokerage. And that's it. A simple, very simple 2-page form for a real estate company to charge a principal or property owner directly. Thank you for watching. Feel welcome to leave a comment.